Welcome to the HAYTECH Ops channel. In today's quick tutorial, we'll show you how to check if your email has been involved in a recent data breach using the website Have I Been Pwned. First, open your browser and head to haveibeenpwned.com. Once the site loads, you'll see a simple search bar. Here, just type in your email address and hit Pwned. The site will check its massive database of breached accounts, and within seconds, you'll know if your email is at risk. If it's been exposed in a breach, you'll see a list of incidents along with links to more details. Remember, if you find your email here, it's crucial to change your passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and stay vigilant. That's it. Stay safe online and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you next time.